Guys, my name is AllieJones and I just want to say this video is all about brows, and it's so weird that I woke up this morning with this in between them. Round of applause, everyone. Great. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a product smackdown between Maybelline and Almay. They're both brow products. We are going to be testing out the Almay Long Lasting Brow Color and the Maybelline new Tattoo Studio Waterproof Brow Gel. So if you are interested in seeing this product smackdown, then please continue watching. So before I get into putting both of these products to the test, I do want to read kind of the product claims on both of them. I'm first going to start off with the Almay Long Lasting Brow Color. The shade that I ended up picking up was in 020 Brown. Now I do want to say, when I picked up this product at my local Walgreens, it was weird because I think it's dark brown, the shade up from this. Like the packaging was lighter and then the regular brown one was darker. So I was kind of thrown off, and I hope that because the packaging was darker on this one, that this suits my brows better. I was just like, what the heck when I saw it. So yeah, fingers crossed. And I also want to say that I did throw away the packaging for the Almay one. I am on the website. It doesn't really have any claims or anything. It just says, for the product details, it says brows on. It's an innovative peel off formula, and then it tells me how to apply it. So for the Almay one, it just says to clean trimmed brows to get best results. Apply a thick coat to brows, making sure that the gel reaches skin underneath and in between hairs. And then it says immediately wipe away any product that exceeds outside desired brow shape. Let it dry for 30 minutes and then gently peel off from the bridge of the nose outward to avoid any potential tugging or removal of brow hairs. Honey, I ain't got a lot of brow hairs. I got nothing to lose here. Absolutely not. Like I said, we're going to be testing out the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Waterproof Brow Gel. Kind of thrown off. And the shade that I ended up picking up was in medium. Ooh, it came with a little spoolie. So this is what the Maybelline one looks like. It comes in kind of like squeeze tube type thing. And then it also came with a little spoolie, which was pretty neat. The Almay one just came with the actual product, so Maybelline kind of gets some bonus points for the extra spoolie, because I did have my own spoolie out, and I love that it came with supplies, so good job. The instructions for both are pretty much the same. It says, for the Maybelline one, simply outline your brow with the gel and the angled brush, then fill in using a light hand at the head and interior areas, and slightly heavier hand from mid brow to tail. And then it says blend it out with the provided spoolie, let it dry, and then you're good for at least 48 hours. We're just gonna get started. I'm really excited about this because I have never done any brow stuff like this. The only thing I do to my brows is just spoolie them out and then fill them in, and that's it. I never gotten brow tattoo or microblading or anything like that. So this is cool to see if this is kind of an alternative to all that. It may not last as long as microblading, but for someone who doesn't wear makeup every day, maybe you just want to look thrown together, put some mascara on, and put some brow gel on. So we are going to get started. I'm first going to start off with the Almay one, just because the Almay one, it doesn't, I don't know, this one, the Almay one says it's a peel off formula, whereas the Maybelline one, it doesn't really say anything like that. So we're going to start off with the Almay one. I already brushed out my eyebrows like it said, and let's go in. I don't know, I'm kind of nervous. Oh wow, so it's really cold, really cold. And I'm just gonna follow the natural shape to my eyebrow. And it says to get onto the skin as well. And I kind of like the applicator to this. I expected it to be like a spoolie applicator, but it's like a little brush tip. So the part I'm nervous for is the inner portion of my eyebrows. Like, how is this going to have like that faded effect, you know? We're gonna let that sit because it does say to let it sit for about 30 minutes. So let's let that sit. So here is the Maybelline one. The Maybelline one actually looks like a little spoolie. I am going to spoolie that on. Okay, first mistake, Allie, girl. The brow color I think is gonna be off. Okay. Wow. So we're gonna have one light brow and one dark one, and I'm gonna look crazy. So I'm just going to, I don't know. Ooh, I don't know how I, ooh, I don't know how I, okay. I think this is when I use the spoolie. I forgot about this little guy. No, that's not really helping me much. I do not like this applicator. I feel like I can't get the desired shape that I want. Now that both of my eyebrows are on, this looks so freaking bad. The next step is to kind of peel and reveal. So I'm gonna wait about 30 to 35 minutes and I will be right back. It has been about an hour and a half since I have had both of these products on my brows. And I want to say before like I go in and peel everything off, the Almay one definitely feels dry. Like it has that gel kind of crunchy feel on my brows, whereas the Maybelline one, it still feels like it's kind of wet. And when I press a little hard, it kind of transfers onto my fingertip. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick that up, but it definitely like it transfers. And then the Almay one, like I said, like there's literally like nothing on my finger. So I am first going to go in and peel off the Almay one, and then I'll go in and peel off the Maybelline one. The color is really throwing me off, so here we go. And it says to start by the bridge of your nose and work outward. Ooh, I can feel it pulling on my hairs. Can you guys see that? Like, it just pulls right off. And it's definitely like, you can already see it's under there. It does kind of like, it doesn't hurt, but it's like, it feels like pinching. Like, I imagine that's how it feels to like tweeze your eyebrows. I don't tweeze my eyebrows, but I mean, I'm sure that's what it feels like. I'm gonna go ahead and try it with the spoolie. Oh, so it's coming off like super fast with the spoolie. And voila, that's what it looks like with all of the product out of my eyebrow. It doesn't look bad. I would probably go out like this. I'd probably, I don't know, like it's kind of harsh down there for it to be like a natural brow, but it looks good. Like it did what it was supposed to do. So I'm gonna go in and peel the Maybelline one off. It does say it's not peeling off. Like it's not. I'm doing this right? Oh. So I did this wrong. I'm gonna go ahead, remove this, and then I'm gonna retry it. Oops. So user's mistake. I'm gonna go back in and apply the Maybelline Studio one. And I'm just gonna, you know, brush it on in and then use the other spoolie to kind of shape it and whatnot. So I'm going to be very careful this time. I didn't want to do that. I really like, I just don't like the product. Like, I do not like this applicator. I don't like this brush. Like, I don't know. Like, I don't know. Like, I know I messed up the first time, but I don't like the formula. I think that's what it is. Like, the formula and the brush. I feel like it's impossible to get like a good shade. I'm gonna leave it like this. I don't know. I already don't like the formula from the first error of mine. So I'm gonna go off camera again for another about 30 to 40 minutes, and then I will be right back. I am back with my eyebrows, and I just want to say that although this looks better than this one, I do not like the formula of the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel. It's still like very, very wet, and this does claim to be like smudge proof. It'll stay. It's not wet, not a wet formula, and I don't agree. It says does not transfer, smudge proof, 98% saw fuller, thicker eyebrows, which yes, this does look fuller and thicker than what it did before. 93% saw that gel does not transfer. I don't know. I don't like it. Yes, it looks better. It looks way better than this side, but the formula is just, it's wet. Like, here is a clean paper towel. I'm gonna take like this end right here because this is dirty, and I'm just gonna stamp it on in there. Like, it's not transfer proof. Like, it comes off, and the formula, it's just sticky. Whereas this one, like, I can move my eyebrows around. Like, I can move the hairs, and then I could just go back in, brush them into place, good to go. I personally do not like this one. Ooh, and I wanted to like it. Also, what I don't like about it, which I said before, is the applicator. The applicator is kind of, it's not, I don't think this is a good size to get, you know, a good brow, especially the tip of the brush. It was difficult for me to get a point, although they do supply you with the extra spoolie. I don't know. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. So this product smackdown is handed to the Almay Long Lasting Brow Color. I don't necessarily like the shape, but it does a great job at giving me that kind of temporary brow look. It's smudge proof, no transfer, like nothing is coming off. And this one, like, it's clearly coming off. So Maybelline, you tried, I think, maybe work on the formula a little bit, because I don't agree with the claims, whereas this one I actually like, and I see myself probably using this on like a no makeup day, something really easy. So yeah, Almay, you did good. So that is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it and cannot get enough of me, then please do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below, as well as hitting the thumbs up button, so I know that you guys are enjoying these product smackdown videos. And if you guys have any other products that you guys would like for me to put to the test together that are similar, then please leave those products down below. And if you guys want more of me, then please, like I said, subscribe and follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram so we can become the best of friends and keep up with one another. That is pretty much it for this video. Kind of disappointed by the Maybelline product because the brow actually does look good, but formula is kind of bad. So yeah, that's it for this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Peace out.